Hello, everybody. Welcome to this new Sunday cooking class.
Hi, this is Ainhoa.
And this is Fran. Welcome home, everybody.
Fran, who is playing with the iPhone.
I've been 2 minutes trying to start play, and I was only taking pictures. I'm like, what's going on here? Okay, we got it. We are fine now. So, hello, everybody. Welcome home. So happy to see you here. And today we are going to do an aperitivo. Before it's like a little something for our guests when they start arriving. Today we have like 3 couples, so you have a little munchies to eat before. And we are going to prepare something that we saw some time ago in internet, and we were like, for real?
Actually, one of our kids sent it to us and said, we should try this.
And we tried it, and oh my god, we have been addicted to it.
Yes, it's super good. Actually, it's like
we are going to fry olives.
Yeah, who thought we would ever fry olives? It's like frying asparagus.
Well, it's good enough to me. So, shall we?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Vamos, que nos vamos. Hello, hello, hello. Vamos. So, let me turn the camera around. And it's been a while since our little chicken has not been around. And oh my god, he is eating my little olives. That I'm not gonna let him take my olives because that's the main course or the main star of the day. That's what we are going to do. So, easy peasy. You need olives, flour, egg, breadcrumbs to fry them. Well, olive oil that we are measuring the temperature right now. And then to dress them a little more, you have, this is tomillo or
tomillo,
thyme, and lemon. Okay, so that's what we are going to be preparing today. So,
okay, so
easy.
Olives, pitted.
Without pit.
Pitted.
Oh, pitted. Pitless. Pitted. Anyway.
Whatever, without bones. Or pits.
Pits.
Some people put things inside, like cheese, like they fill them. But honestly,
we don't. Okay, so what we need to do is
we have dried them a little bit because
so if
otherwise
you see, normally they're canned and they come with liquid. We have dried them because they're gonna be fried and you don't want the big mess.
We are going to make them the way we make it at home, and then we started making them for one of our daughters' friend who is a celiac. So this is how do you call that?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Okay, right? Instead of flour.
Cornstarch.
Because he's celiac, so we decided to.
And the breadcrumbs are also.
Yeah.
But they are particularly good for.
Okay, so you coat them.
Yeah.
Okay.
¿Cómo se llama eso in English? Like when you empanas algo, right?
Yeah.
Do you have any problem with me?
No.
Spilling everything around?
Oh no, girl.
Wow. Hang on a minute.
I think you have a problem.
I do have a problem.
You have a mess in your hands.
Because the cornstarch sticks.
Yeah, and it's so thin. It's not like flour that you can sweep it out. The cornstarch is like, yeah.
Maybe I need 2 eggs, but let's see.
Okay.
And this has to be really like
well
beaten. Right, hopefully.
Hopefully it's enough.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
All right, so I'm going to, strain them.
Okay.
It's important to dry the olives because otherwise they get...
To brine. What is that?
Dry.
Oh, dry and brine. I'm like, what are we...
What are we talking about? Yeah, you need to dry the olives. And now see if I can shake it a little bit so I can get rid of a little bit of this.
So the extra flour, in this case cornstarch, you take it out. You dump them in the...
egg wash.
Egg wash.
Egg.
You wanna...
And this is dirty.
It's a little dirty, but...
It's fine.
It's good. And then, from there, it goes straight into the breadcrumbs.
Yep.
This is
And I need to be washing my hands all the time.
I think our kids love it because it's so messy and it's like, oh my god, you're making a mess and you're putting your hands in eggs and flour and breadcrumb. So it's fun.
Lucas, who is the one who brought this idea to us, actually mixed the egg and the cornstarch, but I don't like that idea.
Okay, so let's see. Are they? Yes, they are.
They're coated.
As you can see, they're now coated. Ugh.
Sorry.
They're coated, and what we're gonna do is make sure that the olive oil has good
It's
temperature.
not olive oil. It's
Sorry, it's a sunflower. You don't use to
I
fry.
don't use olive oil to fry.
What temperature do you want to put that
I
up?
need 180.
And it is
A bit more than 180.
okay.
No, it's 179, and I need to have a higher temperature. We fry around 180 to 100.
Celsius. Always
Celsius.
we talk about Celsius. We'll figure out how much is that in Fahrenheit. Don't worry. We'll write
It's
it down.
about 300.
350. I think it's 350. So you just want to.
Let's see. Let's see.
Yep. That's it. And they fry in no time. I mean, let me zoom in. Obviously, if we were not filming, we would have the, how do you say, the vacuum smoke thingy.
Yeah. I can open the window.
Okay. So what you just want to do is give them that extra crispy layer. That's it.
That's it. You don't need them to be like
No,
super dark.
too.
But we need to fry a few because. Right.
So what we do is we put them on paper, so they take some of the oil out. Okay, so apago? Do you want me to turn the?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn it off.
Okay, let me come around the other side.
But what do we do? Right.
So now to dress them a little bit.
We don't use salt.
No, they don't need salt at all because really the olives are enough salty. So you just put a little bit of the zest of the lemon.
Yeah, and some thyme if you want. You can use orange. You can use Parmesan cheese. You can use whatever.
Anything, it's good enough.
Anything you want.
I mean, now, once again, the smell-o-vision, it's the thing that we need Mark Zuckerberg to work on.
Please go work on it.
Because it really smells so good. Look at that.
Wow, they're hot. Didn't look it, but they're hot.
Well, they're just coming out from... Okay. So, as you can see, it is
Nice.
easy, beautiful. Okay, let me get very, very close to them. Okay, so you have the olives, you have the crispiness, you have the lemon, you have the herbs. What could be more Mediterranean than all of that? One thing can be more Mediterranean, which is our tour. Yes, you can come to see the Mediterranean, not just with your flavors, that yes, it's going to be a very important part, but also with your eyes and all your senses. And to do that, you can check our website, travelingsteps.es, where you have all the information about our Mediterranean tour. If you want to discover the Spanish Riviera, that's your great opportunity.
Okay, so see you
Next week. Muchas gracias. Thank you for coming up home this weekend. We shall see you next week.
and send us pictures if you make this.
Okay, we love you all. Adios. Adios, amigos. Bye.